Shein, you always do your big one. It's growing from my scalp. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Aaliyah if you guys are new here, and if you aren't new, welcome back. Today I'm going to be installing this lovely 613 wig that I got from Shein that I dyed and watercolored. I dyed the ends blue, well, 3 different shades of blue, hopefully you guys can tell, and I watercolored it to get that colors, these colors here, and then I dyed it pale blonde, toned it, dyed, I don't know what's the correct wording for that. I want to say toned, but then I don't know, y'all know what I'm saying though. But this is what I did to get that, and if you guys are interested in seeing how I got it that color, I do have a video on how I did that. It's gonna be linked in the cards above my head right here. Okay, I have my ball cap here. I just cut my ears out, and then now I'm just gonna go in with the Ebon Wonder Lace Bond in the black bottle. Spray that all around my hairline. Low-key don't want to do baby hairs. I don't know why. Lately I've just been loving the no baby hair look. It's been giving grown and sexy, and I don't like baby hairs like that. If I do baby hairs, it has to be really like soft, natural, fluffy type baby hair for sure. But lately I've just been in the no baby hair look, to be very honest with you. Oh my gosh, guys, tell me why I went on my first fair date the other day. Like, it was just so cute and beautiful. Like, it's checked off my bucket list. It actually was like checked off of both of our bucket lists. Like, neither of us had went on a fair date with anybody. It was a wonderful experience. I had a beautiful time. He won me a lovely toy stuffed animal. It was so much fun. I had a lot of fun. Yeah, I've never been on a fair date before, so that was pretty cute to experience, I will say. But how are you guys doing? So I braided my hair a little differently. I did my braid down a little differently this time because I just feel like I always braid my hair straight back. Okay, so now my cap is fully on and I'm going to place the wig on, but before I do that, I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the shade 12 on this fluffy brush right here, and I'm just going to put that all over the inside of the lace. I'm going to use the, what is this, right hand side, the darker side. Put that all over the inside. So this is what it looks like. The lace on this, first of all, I plucked this to perfection. Don't play with me. I feel like this gonna melt perfectly into my skin. Today I'm gonna be using the Bold Hold Active. Right where it's supposed to be. I'm not pulling it, stretching it, or anything. So now I'm just going to simply press it into the glue. I could remove the clips now, but I'm just going to continue pressing it down. First of all, it's already giving scalp, and all I did was pull it down. I'm in love. Shein, you always do your big one. So now I'm gonna put my blow dryer on warm, and I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and go over the edges just to give it that ultra melt. It's like when I do my hair, I just become a new person. Like, who am I? My hot comb is hanging on by a thread. I don't know if y'all can hear it or see it. This should not happen. Go in with my elastic band. Now I'm just gonna take the elastic band off so I could cut the lace. Sis is melted. First of all, I'm such a perfectionist. Low-key, I see things that I could have like done a little better. Cut the tabs by the temple area here. Cut the area that's not sticking, which is that excess lace, which is not a lot, to be very honest. Cut that off and then pull my air out. Oh, that feels so much better. I'm just in a headspace where I'm like learning to practice gratitude more often. Well, on a, not even more often, but like on a deeper level. Like before, I always practice gratitude, but like now it's, I don't know. It's like so different now. We're gonna have to do like a little sit down girl chit chat talk, because there's so much I have not like talked about that I should. This is how you know a wig fits comfortably, when it's not hurting the back of your ears or pushing your ears down like that. Now I'm gonna go in with my razor, my eyebrow razor. It's literally looking like it's growing from my scalp. That's so scary. If I want to do a side part or middle part, we need to figure that out. Seriously giving Draco Malfoy, or not Draco Malfoy, his daddy. Tell me I'm lying. This is crazy how well this blended. I'm just gonna clean up the excess makeup that's on my skin, just a tiny bit, and the excess glue. And then I'm just gonna tie my hair down. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I take the headband off. And it's giving scalp. It's giving this grew out of my scalp. This is my hair. I'm just gonna take the comb and like go like this around it, because after I spray my hair with the spritz, it makes it a little stiff in the front a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I really can't decide if I want a middle part or a side part, but I think I'm gonna go for a middle part because I always do a middle part. And I'm not gonna do any baby hair because I'm grown. I don't need no baby hair. I'm grown as hell. I'll probably do both to see how it looks. Another thing too I learned with colored hair, especially light colored hair, is you don't want to have your hot comb or your flat iron too high, because you're gonna burn your hair and then it's gonna start looking crazy. It's gonna start getting really dark, and you don't want it to mess up the color. I had to learn that the hard way a few times. I might just do a side part, because side part is eating right now. Okay, this is what side part is giving. Okay, so this is the middle part. Honestly, guys, I really don't know, because both gives. Like, they both give baddie. So it's like, I really don't know. Which hairstyle do you guys think I should go for? I always do middle part anyways. The lace is lacing. Do you hear me? The lace is like, find the lace right now. Zoom in if you have to. Find the lace. Can you find it? You can't. That is the point. Where the hell is the lace? I'm gonna need you to find it. When you find it, come tell me. Cause this is my hair. This is my hair. Do you hear me? My forehead not that big. Y'all don't stop coming from my forehead. My forehead not that big. Okay, so this is the final look. I definitely forgot to record the other day, but this is the final look. I wanted y'all to see when my makeup was done. I just got back home from going out, And the hair is giving. Don't mind the noise in the background. We just got home and we lit. But yes, hair is giving. Makeup is giving. We had a blast. So that is the end of today's video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Bye.